I'm a clone, I'm not a human being. Cause I can go numb and mute out my human feelings. Got a murder on my belt, it's holding up my denim. I'm keeping the feds out my bitch, you trying to put them in them.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy Jay here, J.J on Instagram. Go follow me, I'ma leave that link down below. And hit that subscribe button, like and comment. You know, I'm a little new to the YouTube, but the purpose of this video is gonna be about 2008 Fire Red Fire. They got some soul separation going on here. They need some deoxidation going on. Midsole repaint is cracking up. Toe box re-stitch. So, yeah, the other one. Pretty much the same thing. Deep clean. But without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, y'all. First things first. We gotta get these joints all cleaned up, remove the laces and lace locks, and give them a good deep cleaning. Alright, so we have everything all cleaned up, they looking good. Now we headed over to the soles. I always recommend wearing some type of form of eyewear before operating this dermal tool. Debris can fly on your eyes. You don't want that, man. Okay, this is just a before and after shot. And I use cotton balls and acetone to remove all the excess debris from the soles. Okay, we will be using Riley Restorations ice cream to ice the bottom to bring out all the oxidation to give them that icy look again. Here we just have them all wrapped up in saran wrap after we applied the sole sauce, and now they headed over to the ice box, which they will have to sit in for 24 hours. Man, this is a big difference. I don't know about y'all, but I can see it. Okay, y'all, so as you can see, these midsoles are pretty trash, so we just gonna throw them in the garbage and get rid of them. Okay, y'all, so I had this pair of beaters laying around, and so we're going to use these for a midsole swap. So I'm going to be setting them over a pot of boiling water to weaken all the factory adhesive so we can pull the sole off. So this is a before and after shot of me using cotton balls and acetone to remove all the factory adhesive. The right is clean, the left is untreated. Same procedure, left is clean, right is untreated. Okay, y'all, so now it's time for a midsole repaint. I'll be using masking tape to cover up all the areas I don't want paint to get on, like the air unit and the part where the glue will be applied. I recommend wearing a respirator and use an adhesion promoter so the paint can have a better bond and so you won't inhale the chemicals. Okay, y'all, so now it's time to re-glue the soles to the midsole. Same steps, but this time we will be gluing the uppers to the midsole. Okay, y'all, the final step to wrap up this restoration, we'll be using the sewing aisle to stitch the toe cap back on the fire red 5s. That right there wraps up this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for new and more content. Follow me on Instagram. I will leave that link down in the description. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Y'all be easy.